Welcome to Thought Leader Thursday. This is where we come together to break outdated business practices and to start thinking differently about how we salon. Let's transform salon business one mindset shift at a time. Join me every single Thursday to chat about small shifts you can make to transform your business by changing your mindset and by thinking differently. Thought Leader Thursday is an exclusive podcast for our GHT email list subscribers. So if you know somebody who would greatly benefit from all of the beautiful things we talk about every single Thursday, go ahead and share our link to join our email subscription list with one of your favorite like-minded business owners so they too can also benefit from the amazing business tips we give every single Thursday. Let's get started. So, welcome to today's episode, and I am so excited about today's topic. So, today we're going to talk all about social media, and we're going to talk about if you are really getting the results you want from what you're putting out there. So, we have a couple strategies we use at GHT, and we know the importance of social media for your business. And we also know the importance of creating a strategy to create results that you want for your business. And social media is so amazing because it's free advertisement. So, today I'm going to give you the 3 tips that I love when I'm actually thinking about my social media. So, first, I want to talk about what you're posting and why you're posting. So, at GHT, we always talk about posting with purpose. And this means that you have an end result in mind when it comes to planning and posting your social media. Because what we post is what we attract. So, if you are not putting thought and strategy into your posting, you're doing it wrong. You need to get clear about what you want for your career and business. And then you need to post about that and build your posts around that. So, getting really clear on the types of services that you want to provide, the type of client that you want to attract, and the amount of money you want to make is all things that we should be really taking into consideration when we are actually creating our posts for social media. So, if you want to specialize in extensions, then you need to create content around that. There's nothing worse than saying you are a specialist in extensions, but then you have no extension photos on your social media. So, number 2, and this is something that is so important, is to educate. You would be so surprised how clients need to be educated on the most simplest things. How to properly care for your specialty in the simplest way, and educating like actual people on this is going to position you as an expert and serve your audience. So I think we need to get our heads out of posting like the next new trend or the new invention. There is none. Clients want simple topics, and it helps build trust with your audience. So, simple things like how to brush your extensions, how to do a simple braid, how to do a bun, how to blow dry. These are all things that clients need help with, and they really want to really master at home. So, we need to think about how we can serve and educate our audience through educating them and education in general. So, one more thing I want to talk about is external engagement. Are you actually utilizing your social media proactively? This is the best way to gain attention to your brand and specialty. And you can do this by using local hashtags, local businesses, or just searching your area and finding people that pop up underneath those things that seem to be your target market. And you want to like, comment, and actually interact with their stories, interact with their posts. And this is going to draw attention to your brand. And this is going to start to create a, a relationship with these people that who you are now getting to know are going to now know you and follow you. So, starting to build trust with new people is great. This way, you can start to organize the people you want sitting in your chair. And the way I do that is to actually keep all of the target market people on Instagram in my general mailbox folder so I can go back and I can interact with them on a regular basis. This is going to build trust with your future audience. This is going to build trust with future clients, and it really does work. So, these three simple tips will definitely make a huge impact on the way that your social media helps your business. If you love these tips, make sure that you share your results and tag us on social media. And I apologize for the way my voice sounds. I'm committed to making this podcast every single week, and I've lost my voice. So I will talk to everyone next week, and I'm so excited for everyone's feedback on today's actual topic and today's tips. And next week, we're going to talk about what red flags look like when searching for extension education. All right, talk to you soon.